All right, guys. So we're live and in the trenches, man. Game Time Gurus in full effect. So this is an example of what we're going to be doing all year. And so I just want to show you this, guys. We're in Bovada right now. We just made a deposit. We got some action tonight. It's preseason football. So we got the Cards playing the Raiders right now. It's 10-0. But I just wanted to show you this movement. We bought the over at 41.5, which is a testament of the training, how we say we love the over. We bought that at 41.5. Juice is pretty high because they believe in that move. So $10, 150. Oh, by the way, Bovada was giving away 50% of your deposit. We made a deposit of $100, got 50 there. So we got 150. So one wage, one unit right now currently, but we're live. So we still got 140 in and we got one unit out to go get $8.33. It's preseason, guys, so we're just kind of playing around right now. But we just wanted to show you that. We're going to go back into the live portal real quick. So when we say live portal, we're just talking about these books are on live. So basically, we already got them set up here. So it's time, man. It's time to trade. So like I say, we're accountable group. We're accountable membership. We're making these moves. This is live money. You don't have to start big. We like to put new money in. So I just opened this book up, Bovada, and so 140 in, dropped 100. Bovada gave me some love, gave me 50 extra. So that's dangerous in my hands, guys. So just like we say, man, we bought it. We bought that line for 41, and it's already at 49 because the Raiders just scored 16 on here. But updated, I'm watching the game. The Raiders have scored again, so it's 17-0, and we're still in the first quarter. So that over that we talking about for 41 is looking real good. When you see them go up on one that you bought low, then you know you did good. Only thing I hate is I didn't buy it on the incline, but it's preseason, so we're trying to move lightly.